At their heart, franchises are long-term partnerships between franchisor and franchisees, the terms of which can last anywhere between 10 to 20 years. Are you ready for that level of commitment? Is your restaurant profitable? Have you replicated your restaurant yourself? Are your processes, recipes, standards, and training all documented? What staff will you need to support franchisees? And how much will that cost? Franchising is a wonderful tool for growing restaurant brands. However, the timing of launching a franchise program within an overall growth program is critical. Start too early, and the pressure on the franchisor can overly stress the system and forsake the franchisees. But when it's the right time to grow, we create the solid foundations to build successful restaurant franchise organizations. We help develop you and your team into best-in-class franchisors. We establish your franchisor operations to meet the needs of your franchisees from day one. Field and opening teams, training programs, supply chain management, customer service, marketing, and we even help coach executive leadership. Are you ready to copy, paste, and repeat with franchising? Find out today by taking our 5-question readiness quiz below. No matter where you are in the process, we can help you.